We recommend everyone to know Black Friday 2020 about COWONE 7-inch round 5D 2020 newest design 130-watt LED projector headlight with DRL. When is Black Friday 2020 is an annual event just for well-known that it is shopping time on. And this year Amazon have selected many products for the shoppers from small businesses and top brands. Beat the holiday hustle and shop for everyone on your list during Black Friday 2020. Happy everyone on Black Friday 2020. You can find wanted, shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs, filter by specification, type, brand and more. If you want to get highlight features and full review of COWONE 7-inch round 5D 2020 newest design 130-watt LED projector headlight with DRL, please visit the link in YouTube description below. Highlight features or overview summary. COWONE, extremely bright, no regrets, the savior of the night driving. Cause the lighting requirements are higher at night, especially on the dark roads where the surrounding lighting is insufficient. And the brighter headlights of COWONE can make the owners look farther when driving the high beam. An affordable product for your restoration needs. High quality, direct fit product is manufactured in accordance to industry standards to ensure product durability and reliability. The real change is night riding, escort your safety. This 7-inch headlight has been applied to most models of Jeep Wrangler or Harley motorcycles, while protecting your driving safety is the most important. And if you do not understand, not sure or have questions, you can leave questions in the comments box. In addition, if you think our channel that's something useful for you, please press to subscribe us and press the bell. Look for all, press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.